Embarking on a journey towards a healthier lifestyle doesn't have to drain your bank account. In a world where wellness often comes with a hefty price tag, we are here to challenge the norm and introduce you to the art of crafting the world's most affordable fat loss meal, all for just $5 a day. Welcome to Nourish and Thrive, where you nourish all aspects of your life to the best and thrive however you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to join our community with thousands of members. Let's get on with the video. Introducing the ultimate solution for those seeking a wallet-friendly yet incredibly effective fat loss meal plan. A culinary journey that crafts delectable dishes for just over $5 a day. These simple yet scrumptious meals promise to delight your taste buds while helping you shed those unwanted pounds. Today, I will guide you through the meticulous process of purchasing the most economical ingredients and preparing these nourishing creations. Each meticulously crafted meal boasts a minimum of 20 grams of protein, culminating in a remarkable total of 2,000 calories and over 150 grams of protein. For many of you, this could be the ideal starting point to kickstart your fat loss journey. Stay tuned as I unveil how to precisely customize this plan based on your body weight and gender. Before we delve into the culinary wonders, it is imperative to shop smart by exploring the most budget-friendly options. My analysis of popular grocery stores reveals a clear victor in terms of affordability. Walmart emerges as a reigning champion, offering ingredients at a fraction of the cost compared to the other contenders. Now, let's delve into the core ingredients that provide maximum value for your money. These protein, carb, and fat sources will be our culinary pillars. Let's begin with meal number 1, the cherished overnight oats. A morning staple in my personal routine. This powerhouse dish can be prepared the night before in under 5 minutes, combining oats, 0% plain Greek yogurt, and cost-effective protein powder, which when bought in bulk, proves more economical than other protein sources. This breakfast delight not only tantalizes your palate, but also fuels your day with convenience and lean protein. Now, I've chosen chocolate-flavored protein for this recipe, but feel free to opt for any flavor that tantalizes your taste buds. And if protein powder is not your thing, simply increase the amount of Greek yogurt as an alternative. Following this, incorporate around half a cup of water and mix until a harmonious blend is achieved. Place the mixture in the refrigerator, and come morning, you can enhance the dish with toppings like a banana, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and a touch of salt. For those willing to indulge, premium options like sugar-free syrup or a drizzle of honey can be considered. While these meals undoubtedly boast remarkable flavors, monotony can set in. To counter this, I diversified my oat creations, from vanilla protein powder with diced apples and cinnamon to keep things enticing. Rest assured, I will reveal a treasure trove of meal variations later. Transitioning to lunch, let's tackle the meal prep dilemma. Enter freezer burritos. Not only do they stay delectable for months, but they surprise me with their flavor, even after a week in the freezer. The essential components per burrito and the assembly process are outlined below. Starting with the tortilla. In this scenario, I recommend opting for cost-effective white flour tortillas which are easier to handle and come in at about 180 calories each. Basic spices like salt, garlic powder, and pepper along with soy sauce are crucial for elevating flavor without straining your budget. Utilizing cooking spray for a calorie-efficient cooking method. Dice and cook chicken with pinto beans, then transfer to a plate. Following this, cook onions and peppers in the same pan until tender. Ensure to generously season both the chicken and vegetables with salt, garlic, and a modest amount of soy sauce as they cook. Once they're perfectly cooked, drain any excess liquid. Combine the chicken and beans and allow the mixture to cool for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This step is essential to prevent any risk of damaging the tortillas. Next, place a tortilla in the microwave for a brief duration, around 5 to 10 seconds, to gently soften it. The quantity of filling you use depends on the number of burritos you are preparing. While you could meticulously measure everything for precise portions, a simpler approach is to divide the ingredients by the number of burritos. For instance, if you are making 4 burritos, prepare enough filling for 4 portions and then distribute it evenly. Now, position a portion in the center of the lower third of the tortilla and top it with a serving of cheddar cheese. Don't worry, the cheese will melt beautifully upon throwing the burrito. The next step is crucial, the wrapping process. I typically defrosted it by hitting the defrost button, and within roughly 5 minutes, it was good to go. However, this timing might vary for different microwaves. I would recommend using a low heat setting, flipping the burrito at least once and checking periodically to ensure it is heated to your liking. Alternatively, you can let it thaw naturally before quickly reheating, or for those with a bit more time, crisp it up in a pan for that extra crunch. And if you're feeling indulgent, consider making it premium with a side of salsa or hot sauce. As we await the arrival of dinner after a satisfying lunch, the evening often brings forth its own challenges. The growing hunger pangs tempt us to indulge in a random snacks, potentially derailing our progress. A smart alternative is incorporating a straightforward, wholesome snack like an apple, a modest 77-cent investment for approximately 80 calories. While this choice may entail a slight increase in cost, the impact on your commitment to your goals can be significant. Now, as dinner approaches, we delve into a beloved childhood classic. The fried rice recipe I'm about to share is not only a delight to the palate, but also a breeze to prepare. Commence by scrambling 3 whole eggs in a pan and then setting them aside. Proceed to dice a carrot and saute them alongside green peas and garlic. An interesting note about green peas: their fat loss benefits are impressive, as their calorie content per unit volume is nearly half that of rice. Thus, during dietary endeavors, substituting some rice with peas can be a clever, calorie-saving strategy as showcased in this recipe. When the vegetables turn tender, introduce your white rice. While brown rice is an option, for the optimum fried rice consistency, day-old refrigerated white rice is recommended. This prevents clumping during cooking. For a flavor boost, add soy sauce to your preference and integrate the scrambled eggs, resulting in a satisfying creation. And for those with a little extra to spare, a dash of sriracha or chili garlic, along with a side of steamed broccoli, can elevate the experience. I don't know about you all, but the time between dinner and bedtime tends to awaken my cravings for sweets. Despite maintaining discipline throughout the day, late-night snacking often proves irresistible. To tackle this, we present a dessert that not only caters to your sweet tooth, but does so in a health-conscious and budget-friendly manner. The recipe is straightforward yet utterly delightful. In a blender, combine a frozen banana, a scoop of protein powder, chocolate tends to excel, a tablespoon of peanut butter, around 3/4 cup of water, and approximately 5 to 10 ice cubes, adjusting to your preferred smoothie thickness. If protein powder is not your preference, Greek yogurt can be a substitute, though adding a sugar-free sweetener like stevia might be necessary to enhance the flavor. With the exception of the burritos, ideal for a week's worth and freezer storage, most dishes can be prepared for 3 to 4 days. Calculate and multiply the ingredients portions accordingly before refrigerating. Regarding the smoothie, I recommend blending it fresh when you're ready to indulge. And while you can follow the plan as presented, I strongly advocate adjusting the calorie and protein content based on your body's specific needs. As we bid farewell, remember that crafting a balanced and budget-friendly approach to your health journey is not only possible but also incredibly rewarding. From affordable fat loss meals to smart snack choices and satisfying desserts, we have embarked on a flavorful adventure that proves that eating well does not have to strain your wallet. Your commitment to tuning in and exploring these culinary strategies is truly appreciated. Thank you for joining us on Nourish and Thrive, and may your path towards a healthier lifestyle be both delightful and fulfilling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay well and keep thriving.